going to make a video on the kitchen and cooking time. So today we will be making cooking. So today we will be making a lot of food like egg and many dishes with Anna, Annie, Alice, Appy and Ellie. So are you guys ready? Yes, we are ready. Friends,
Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Take care and keep enjoying beautiful
My
weather.
name is Ellie. Annie. My name is Alice. My name is Appy.
And my name is Ellie.
Yes. So today we are going to make a lot of dishes from our new dream kitchen set.
This is fry pan.
Yeah, this is fry pan. And there are a lot of things like eggs. You can see over there. Yes, here it is. And brinjal and carrots and many more. And we also have some corn and capsicum. I want carrot soup. I also want carrot soup. Okay, so now we are going to make our carrot soup, and for that we need a ginger. Here we have ginger. So, sorry, Annie. Yeah, sit over here. So for soup, we also need ginger, which is over here, and we need knife, and here the knife. I got the knife from here. You can see there is a knife, fork, and a spoon. So we took the knife and she's cutting, cut in small pieces, like more small pieces. Okay, cut. Cutting time, cooking time. We are going to make some delicious dishes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to put the ginger in the water. I'm putting some magic salt and pepper. Mix. Yeah. We have put the magic salt and pepper in it, and we are mixing it. Yeah.
Smells so good.
Yeah, but we have to boil it. Put it back. No, put it
It's
back.
so good smell.
Yes, smells good, but we have to boil it as well. Putting spoon back to its place. Okay, now we are going to put it on the stove. Where? On the stove.
And now cut.
Yeah, now we have to cut the carrot for the carrot. Yeah. Now we have to put the cap. Put the cover. Yeah, put the cover on the. On the pan. Yeah. Mix. Leave it to boil. Okay, so Anna and Annie's carrot soup is getting ready. What do you want, Alice? I want boiled eggs. I want boiled egg. I also want boiled egg. Okay, so we're going to make the boiled egg for Alice and Ellie. Okay.
I like corn soup.
And I like hot and sour soup.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to boil the eggs because on the pan, on this cooking dish, because some water. We also need some water. Okay. One more egg for Annie. Okay, so here are the boiled eggs. They are boiling on the stove, and the carrot soup is also on the dish. It smells so good and yummy. Let me mix. Can you please mix? Take a spoon from here. Yeah. Mix it. Yummy. Okay, now put the cover on. Put the cover. Yeah. And now we have to wait for the eggs to boil, like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. What do you want, Epi?
I want corn soup.
Okay, so we will make your corn soup once we are done with the carrot soup. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so who knows ABC song? I know. Okay, start. C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time you will learn with me. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm putting the egg
In the plate.
in the plate.
Be careful, it's hot. They use a spoon. Yeah. Take it carefully. And put it in the plate. Yeah, 2 plates. Okay. We have taken off the layer of the egg, so now the eggs are ready to be eaten. Okay, so I think the one plate is enough, so I'm going to place this plate aside.
Yes.
Okay, start eating, Ellie and Alice. Yummy! It tasted so good. So yummy. Good. Yes, it's so yummy. I love it.
Yes.
And the carrot soup is ready. I'm going to take out the cover. Oh, it's flaming hot. Okay, so now we have taken our carrot soup, and it tastes so good. Now I'm making corn soup for Epi. She's sitting over here. Hi, friends. Okay, so now I'm going to put this on the stove, and I have to wait it until it boils. Okay, put the cover on. Yeah. Okay, guys, now let's do counting till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay,
Good job,
so
Ellie.
and everyone, Anna, Ellie, Alice, Ellie, and Epi. Okay, so our corn soup is ready. Now let's take it out. Yeah.
Yes.
We have to put it on it. Okay, guys, our corn soup is ready. Yummy! It tastes so good. Right now, I just wanted to eat this corn soup because I really like corn soup and hot and sour soup. You also like?
Yes.
Yes.
I like.
Corn soup is really delicious, and in case you have to, you can ask your mom to prepare it for you and just eat it. Yeah.
It's so yummy. I like.
Yeah, it's really yummy. Our dream kitchen. Okay, guys, so this was our end of a video, and I hope you like our today's video. Do comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.
Yeah.